Hi, in this video for the TV Star S3000 standard definition satellite receiver, we're going to talk a little bit about scheduling future recording. Okay, so to do this, simply go into menu button, go to system and arrow over to timer and press OK, and this brings you into the timer menu. Now, what's important to note at this point is basically the TV Star S3000 satellite receiver is a single tuner free to air satellite receiver. And why I mention single tuner and free to air is it's single tuner, which means you can only kind of record what you're watching. There is a small caveat in that you can watch something else on the same transponder, but in general, you're best to think just record what you're watching. So that's very handy for when, let's say, you're going out and you want to record something, but it can have its drawbacks if you're watching something and you want to tape something else on the same box. So it's just to be aware of that. But the other thing is it's a free to air box, which means you only get now and next on the EPG. Okay, so that's handy, just for see what's coming up next and things like that. For recording, it's not overly helpful. But what you can do is you can use this timer menu to manually set a time to record. Okay, so what you can do is when you're in here, just go to fill in the numbers as you go along here, or fill in the information. So the timer mode, we're going to say once, but you obviously have other ones like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Now, to be honest, I don't know why you're bothered putting in yearly. You're hardly going to set your box to record something once a year. So it's a bit, I would say that one's a bit pointless, but it's there anyway. But I'm just going to say once. Then you arrow down to timer service. So you have lots of options here, like record TV, a message, radio channel. What it means when it just says radio channel is switch to that radio channel. Basically like a reminder. TV channel, switch to that TV channel, again like a reminder. Record a radio station or record TV. So I obviously want to record TV, so that's what I'm going to do. So you can pick your channel then, the next one, but I'm just going to say BBC One, and you can set your date for when you want to record using the arrow and number keys. So I'm going to say the on time that I want to start recording is, it's a 24-hour clock, so I'm going to say 1800. Okay, and I'm going to say the duration is 30 minutes. Now what I basically am telling it there, I know, we'll say the news at 6 is on at 6 o'clock or something like that for half an hour. So I'm telling it I want at 6 o'clock this evening for 30 minutes tape BBC One. Okay, and save that to my external hard drive or memory stick or something like that. So when you're finished then, just move down, and when you press exit then it'll say, are you sure you want to save? And you will say yes. And that's added it basically into your scheduled recordings list. So that's it in a nutshell. Just a little bit about how to schedule a future recording on the TV Star S3000 standard definition satellite receiver.